Today, we will be installing the rear tie downs that pair with your SuperHitch. You'll want to start by loosening and removing two nuts facing the front of the truck. After that, it's as easy as sliding it in the cross tube and lining up the holes with the bolts. Put the nuts back onto the bolts and tighten them down to 90 foot-pounds. This is a pretty easy install, as you will be doing the same thing on both sides. Make sure you identify if there are driver and passenger side pieces before installing. This install will apply to part numbers R3503, 04, 05, 07, 08, 09, and 10. Lastly, slide the insert in and secure it with a 1/4 inch pin when you are ready to use it.